Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to talk a little bit about canonical content and some of the metrics that fall within that category. This all falls within the summary tab of our SEO reporting feature. Now our SEO web crawler collects a lot of data. We analyse that data and present it to you in a useful format. So in this section you can see you've got collapsible and expandable sections. We're going to focus specifically on the canonical content section. I've covered this in a little bit more detail in other videos, as well as all of the other metrics within this section. What we're going to look at here is the pages with 251 to 500 words in content. You'll notice that there's a green thermometer next to this, which means that there's no particular issue with the data at all. There's a completely legitimate amount of data on that page, and so there's no error. There's no error to actually show. So this is really just informational. You'll also see a drop-down menu that shows the shows you the description of what that metric and data means. And you'll also see two dates. The first shows the latest crawl, and the second shows the previous crawl. And in the other column, you show the difference between those two. So we've got 3 additional pages with between 251 and 500 words of content. If we click on this page, we see all of the URLs that match that particular category, and we can sort that from highest to lowest or from lowest to highest. You can download this data by CSV by clicking the download CSV button there, and you can go back to the reporting page to look at this content again. What this really shows is just the distribution of content across your site. We also have a visualization within the SEO audit feature, which under the content tab breaks down this information into a graphical format, so you can see the pages with less than 100 words of thin content, pages with less than 250 are considered to be borderline thin content, and then you can see the distribution of pages on your site to see how many pages you have that fall into each category. You can also use our competitor tool to see how that compares to your competitors. Anyway, that's how to see all of the content that is relevant to having 250 to 500 words on your site. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.